I bought and tested these golf balls specifically for swing speeds around 85 miles per hour, so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong ones. I know how frustrating it can be to find the right equipment that matches your playstyle, and I'm here to share my honest experiences.
Product number 1, Montella Golf Smart Ball. When I first unboxed the Montella Golf Smart Ball, I was genuinely excited. It looked sleek with its black nylon exterior, and the adjustable lanyard was a practical touch. I took it to the driving range, and it quickly became evident that this wasn't just a training aid, it was a game changer. As I clipped it between my forearms, I felt my posture improve instantly. The soft, flocking fabric was gentle on my skin, yet durable enough for repeated use. The first couple of swings felt awkward, but as I focused on maintaining my arm distance, the muscle memory started to kick in. I could feel my swing becoming more controlled, and I began to hit straighter shots. The air pump included in the package was a breeze to use, making inflation and deflation quick and hassle-free. However, I did find that I needed to be careful not to overinflate it, as it could get a bit stiff. Pros: the feel of the material, the adjustable lanyard, and how it promotes correct posture are all huge pluses. Cons: it can take some getting used to, especially if you're not accustomed to using training aids. I genuinely believe the Montella Golf Smart Ball is a must-have for anyone looking to refine their swing. If you're serious about improving your game, this training aid is worth every penny.
Product number 2, 3-piece golf swing trainer set. The moment I laid eyes on the 3-piece golf swing trainer set, I knew it was designed for serious golfers. This set combines a swing-correcting armband, a smart impact ball, and a posture correction assist. I was excited to try it out, especially since all 3 pieces target different aspects of the swing. I started with the armband, which restricts improper swings, and I could feel the difference immediately. It forced me to focus on my arm movements, helping me develop better muscle memory. The smart impact ball was a revelation. Hitting it provided instant feedback on my swing force and direction, allowing me to make quick adjustments. The posture correction assist was a game changer for my stance, ensuring I maintained the ideal position throughout my swings. However, while the training aids were effective, I did find the armband a bit restrictive at times. Pros include the all-in-one training solution and the immediate feedback you get from the impact ball. The only con is that it might feel cumbersome for some players. Overall, if you're looking for a comprehensive training set that targets multiple swing aspects, this is a fantastic investment.
I recently switched to the Wilson Staff Zip golf balls, and I must say they exceeded my expectations. With the unique dimple pattern designed for aerodynamics, I noticed that my shots flew straighter and further. The zero compression core really stood out. I felt the perfect combination of feel and distance in every swing. Hitting a few drives, I could feel the difference in how the ball reacted off the club face. It was like the ball had its own personality. However, the only downside I encountered was that the price point for a pack of 24 might be a bit steep for casual golfers. There's a lot to love about these balls. They're durable and provide excellent performance, making them suitable for all skill levels. If you're looking for a ball that delivers on both feel and distance, the Wilson Staff Zip is a solid choice.
Product number 4, Golf Training Aid Smart Ball. I stumbled upon the Golf Training Aid Smart Ball during my quest to fix my swing, and it's quickly become a staple in my practice routine. This inflatable trainer is designed to correct your posture and keep your arms straight, which is something I struggled with. The first time I used it, I was amazed at how it forced me to focus on my swing tempo. My previous chicken wing problem started to fade away, and my rhythm improved dramatically. It comes with an adjustable lanyard, which was a thoughtful addition, allowing me to customize it to my height and arm span. The only tricky part was inflating it. While the included pump was handy, I had to remember to cover the air pump port properly. Pros: it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere, and it's very effective in developing muscle memory. A con, however, is that it may not be enough for more advanced golfers looking for a challenge. If you're a beginner or just need a little help refining your swing, this smart ball is well worth picking up.
Product number 5, Compression Ball Golf Swing Trainer. The compression ball from Golf Training Aids is a unique tool that caught my attention. Designed to help fix common swing flaws, particularly the infamous chicken wing, I was eager to see its effects. The moment I secured it between my forearms, I felt an instant connection to the correct impact position. The ultra-soft memory foam made it comfortable to use, and I appreciated the detachable lanyard that ensured it wouldn't drop during practice. As I went through my swings, I could feel the difference in my tempo and ball striking. I found it to be effective across all skill levels, making it a versatile tool for both beginners and advanced players. However, at a higher price point, it might not be the first choice for casual golfers. Pros: it offers a tour-level impact feel and is ideal for fixing swing flaws. The only con is its price, but if you're serious about improving your game, the investment is worth it. Overall, the compression ball is an excellent addition to any golfer's training arsenal.
In conclusion, whether you're just starting on the golf course or looking to refine your skills, these products can make a significant difference. I highly recommend giving them a try to elevate your game and enjoy the process. Happy golfing!